Hey everyone, you're here with Dr. Python JavaScript, and today we're going to finally learn how to go ahead and push our Docker image over to a Docker Hub, something that's online so we can give it all to the world to see. Alright, so first thing we want to do is see which Docker images I currently have on my computer. Make sure that you have Docker desktop installed. If you have Windows and if you have Mac, just go ahead and look up the installation. It should take you a few minutes. So over here, what I want to do is Docker images. Cool. So we see a few images here. I want to go ahead and first push this one to my repo online. So let me go ahead and show you that repo online. If I just open this up here and let you guys peek at that. Then what you'll see here is a, pseudo GitHub repo I created, and there's nothing in here at the moment, right? So I can even go ahead and copy this just to save myself time in a little bit. So at this point, let's go back to the terminal, and I want to change that. So what I'll do is, let's look at the terminal. And here, it's actually pretty simple to the point where it's almost embarrassing. But what I will say is, let me just make sure if I can zoom in a little bit. If not, then you guys might just have to look at it like this. My apologies. Try zooming in, but it won't work. So we're just gonna have to look at it like this. Alright, so at this point, what we want to do is push the name of our tag, and we can create any tag, over to that GitHub repo. And I think the best way to do that is to just commit it. Alright, if you guys ever use commit, it's the simplest way to do so. So if I say docker commit, and then I can use one of these. I want to use the let's see, which one should I use as a title here? Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one that I said. Could probably copy and paste it here. Let's see. Awesome. And then I'm gonna add a tag so that it knows exactly which one I want to go ahead and commit. And that tag is going to be latest 3. Great. Now at this point, what we want to do is sort of say the name of our repo. And if you go back to my repo specifically, let me go ahead and get that open up for us. Got a lot of folders open. I just realized that. Give me 1 second here. So Dockerhub. Okay, so like I was saying, Dockerhub. I was sending it to the documentation page. Let me just see what's going on there. Let's switch that screen over so you can see. Awesome. So here, okay, this is pretty slow. Sorry about my connection there. So here, we're seeing that, again, there's nothing, but I do want to take this name. So let me just take that name there, and let's X this out. Let's actually just copy that right in here and give this a tag. We can give it a tag of whatever we want. I'll just call it latest 0. I'll call it YouTube actually. Why not create the tab and call it YouTube? And let's go ahead and commit that. I'm ready to commit that. Okay, so there's no such container, so it didn't recognize the container. Let's see what the reason for that was. could I have typed wrong? Latest 3 seemed fine. Let's see if we did this order, the same command without this tag. Okay, yeah, let's see if this worked. No such container. Let me see if I'm missing an instruction here. No such container. What's up with that? Okay, so let's go ahead and check this part out. So I don't know why it's not respecting my copy and paste. Give me 1 second. Yeah, so this over here. This is so annoying. Alright, so here I'm just gonna say Docker tag, and then I'll say we mastering Docker node test, and here it's allowing me to give it a new tag. So let's go ahead and give it a new tag. I want to call it okay, so I want to call it what exactly? I want to call it what? Alright, so let's see if it respects me when I do that. So it did tag it. Alright. And if I want to commit that tag, let's see how that looks. So committing that tag, give me a second. How do I commit that tag exactly? Let me see. So to commit the tag, we'll go ahead and enter Docker commit. And then we'll see we mastering okay, so yeah, I'll say Docker push oh gosh. Alright, there you go. So if we push this here. Awesome. And it was just pushed. So we can go ahead and confirm that by looking at our repo again. And that should be right over here. Let's see where that was. Give me 1 second. Great, found it. Alright, so you can't see anything at the moment, but if I go ahead and refresh it, there we go. And it was just successfully pushed. So I hope you guys enjoy that. That's how you'll go ahead and push your actual image to a Docker hub. You're gonna have to go ahead and retag it, but I found that was the easiest method. You saw me struggle there a little bit. It's still a little foreign to me sometimes, and I'm trying to do it without, like, you know, Googling commands and whatnot, but I hope that helped anyone out there. Subscribe if you want more videos. I'm going to go over Docker container, or rather, Docker, what is it? The really cool one, Docker Compose, in the next video. So stay tuned for that. Talk to you guys soon. Love you all.